Hey friends, I am back today with another project using our new, or one of our new creative Kickstart transfers. So if you're not familiar with these just came out. There's two brand new transfers and these fun wood shapes that I'm going to use today. You can purchase these on my chalk site, or you can earn them for free, because who doesn't like free products, right? So to find out all the details, be sure to watch the Facebook Live that I did yesterday explaining how all that works. But let's jump into today's project. I am going to use the wood shapes, which are part of the add-on. They go perfectly with this fun rainbow transfer. It's the Feels Like Sunshine transfer. So I am going to use a chalk paste in the color Tide. It's a fun dark teal bluish kind of color. I love it. Look how easy that is. I literally just put that right on there and then pulled it off, and boom, we are done. So I'm going to actually do all three of these wood pieces in the same color, and then I'm going to go back and add the other parts in copper. So I'm pulling that off, and then I realized I put my finger on top of the silk screen, and you could actually see my fingerprint through that. So I just kind of went over that again. And notice I'm not washing in between each one. I'm going to do all three shapes, and then once I'm done with that, I am going to go take that to the sink and wash it off real quick with water and my board eraser so that it's nice and clean. You can see it right there. Make sure it's dry if you're washing it. So I'm going to put that on my surface, and then I'm going to grab my copper paste. It's actually a shimmer paste, which is one of my favorite shimmer pastes, although it's hard to choose. So, and I'm going to do my best just to chalk that wood in the words in the center there. But it's okay if I mess up, and you'll see when I pull that off, you can see kind of the other pieces. It kind of looks like a hot mess right there, but you'll see once I add the rainbow pieces, the wood pieces on top, you won't ever know that happened. So I'm going to dry that real quick, and then I'm going to take my pieces and set those right on there. See, look at it, just looks perfect, or near perfect, right? So it comes with some adhesive pieces, but I'm just going to use my good old hot glue gun to add those on there, and just kind of pop those on there. Look how easy this project is. Literally took minutes. So once that is on there, I am going to pull out these fun felt flowers. Say that 10 times fast. So these come with the wood rainbow shapes. There's 2 flowers and 4 leaves. So I'm actually going to glue the tip of this leaf and pinch it to kind of give the leaf a little more dimension. You can kind of see it there. And then I'm going to figure out where I want to put that on there. What's great about these kits is that I think this was originally intended to go with the other transfer from the Creative Kickstart, but I just thought it would look so cute at the bottom of my rainbow, give it a little bit more, a little decoration, a little more decoration at the bottom. And there you have it. It is all complete. Thanks for watching.